there's the date and time. It is Halloween. We're in downtown Santa Monica. What a better way to celebrate than to do something that hasn't been done in 7 years. We're gonna take the elevator to the Twilight Zone. It's my first Gen 3. Let's go to 9. Alright, here we go. We're at 9. Now get ready to transfer into none other than the Twilight Zone. Oh my god. So scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh my god, what was that? I want to have a heart attack. Oh my god, I'm scared of having a heart attack. I want to go back down. That was scary. Come on, up. Here's where we are. There's an express elevator on the other side. G, close. I want a heart attack. Back in G. Anyways, I hope you have a safe Halloween. And there it goes, and that's it.